Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here today. I'm so happy to have you hanging out with me. Today I'm going to be doing a cozy master bedroom decorate with me. As you can see from these before shots, everything was super plain before I got started, and I'm going to give our bedroom just a refresh in general and a couple of cozy items for the fall time. So I hope you enjoy this decorate with me video. Of course, every project has to start with a cup of coffee for the fuel, and you will see that as I put all the garlands and lights on the bed, I just sped the footage up a lot so that you could see the transformation, but it would take a super long time if I didn't speed it up. So I used these eucalyptus garlands that I got from Hobby Lobby as the foliage to put on my canopy bed. I love to use garlands and fairy lights on our canopy all year round, but I had actually just taken them off for a while, like in the summertime, and I was looking for more garlands that I really liked, and I didn't. I had a couple of trial and errors, but I decided to go with this eucalyptus from Hobby Lobby. Like I said, I love these garlands and they're super inexpensive. It does take about 6 to put on our bed, so it is something that I invest in one time, and then I have a bunch of different garlands for different seasons. I just think it's a really pretty touch to add to the master that makes everything all magical with the fairy lights. So this was with one strand of fairy lights that I had put on the garlands, and I will show you at the end. I decided that I wanted it to be more glowy and more bright, so I added 2 more strands just to make it more cozy, and you'll have to let me know what you think at the end. So right now I'm working on all the bedding. I got a new set of kind of linen style ruffle sheets and pillowcases from Home Goods, and I thought they turned out really pretty. So as I'm putting all the bedding on, you will see that my cats are always so hilarious and they love to hang out with me while I'm putting fresh bedding on, and they are so silly and they love to run underneath the sheets, and I always say it's like a family event. It is the funniest thing, but they have so much fun. And on this particular day, Chester was just being so silly and such a ham for the camera. It was so hilarious. We really needed a new duvet cover, so I got this beautiful one from Pottery Barn, and I just love it. I have 2 shams already in the same collection, and I think they're so pretty. On this little pillow that I got forever ago at H&M. Unfortunately, it was so long ago, can't link to it or anything, but I just love it, and I didn't find anything that I liked more for fall, so I kept that in here. And I'm using this beautiful knit blanket from the Casaluna line at Target to put on the foot of the bed and add some texture and that beautiful sage green color for the fall. Now on on to the nightstands. I had taken these lanterns away and put them in other parts of the house before, but I really missed them in here and I didn't like the other lanterns that I brought in instead as much here. So I brought these back, and I love these birch lanterns. They have been discontinued, unfortunately, but they're one of my favorite decor items, and they just look so pretty in here, I think. And at night, just in the evenings before we go to bed, they provide just enough magical, cozy glow with the fairy lights, and then these on the nightstands, and then I just turn everything off when we go to bed, but it creates such a pretty and cozy and romantic vibe during the evenings, and I just love it.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
And now for the final touch that I bring in the bedroom, I wanted to bring in a few pieces to add kind of some warmth and wood tones. So I brought this little stool that I got from Target maybe a year or two ago. I think they definitely still have it online, and it's one of my favorite pieces. I feel like it looks so cottagey and rustic, and I love it. And I love the warm tone that it adds into the room. I also brought in a seagrass basket, and I tried to style some blankets inside it. And do you guys ever have the hardest time styling blankets? For some reason, it's so hard for me to get it just right. So I try a couple different things, and I just settle with this one kind of textured waffle blanket on the top, and that adds just kind of like a cozy pop to this corner over here, so it's not so plain in the bedroom. And I play around with having a little pumpkin on the stool, but it wasn't really big enough. I think it would be kind of cute to have a pumpkin that is almost the size of that stool sitting on top of it, but I don't really have one. So if I see one, I will add it, but for now, I just kind of like it as is in this corner, and I feel like it was a good finishing touch for the room. Here's the reveal of how everything looks after I was finished, and I just love how a few simple touches make it super cozy and magical for the fall time. It's all still really simple and very streamlined, but it just has that extra pop of fun and cozy vibes for the fall. So I hope you guys love it as much as I do.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride all the blue.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you subscribe and come back and join me next for my cozy fall whole house home tour, and I will see you guys then. Have a great day.
Someday I will